Hey Kansas City, it's time again for our housing market update. I'm Gina Walton with the Walton Home team of Keller Williams. And when we look at May 2024 compared to 2023, we see that Kansas City overall has had 1.5% increase in closed homes, a 4.6% increase in the price of homes, and the inventory has also increased, giving us a 1.8 month inventory, which is still a seller's market. When we look specifically at Johnson County, we see a decrease in the number of homes closed by 2.2%, a price increase of 5%, and the inventory has stayed at 1.8 months, giving us still another seller's market for Johnson County. Thanks for tuning in for this month's housing market update. We're bringing it to you from Ragazza, one of our top favorite Italian restaurants to eat at. Hope you can enjoy it someday, and let us know in the comments below what your favorite Italian restaurant is as well.